Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over some of the weights of the various components that make up the Precision Matthews. I had a suggestion in one of the previous videos that this will be a good time to weigh all the different components, why I had it broke down, and I couldn't agree more. So let's go over some of the weights. Now bear in mind that I did not weigh the lead screws or any of the bracketry that holds the lead screws on, nor did I weigh part of the gearbox head assembly. The quill feed and all that has been removed, so that weight is not included. But let's go over some of the weights that I have. So for the X table, it is 53.5 pounds. The base is 70.5 pounds. The XY saddle, which I don't have laying out here, is 28.5 pounds. The column, as you see it right here, is 68 pounds. And the Z saddle is 15 pounds. The head assembly is 75.5. That's with the gears in the gearbox and the spindle. However, it doesn't have the quill, downfeed, etc. The motor and the box that hangs off the side of the head here, that is 32.5 pounds. So total for the gearbox is 108 plus the quill, downfeed, and all that stuff. So probably more like 120, I would guess. 115, something like that. So those are the different components broken down. Now once I do the conversion, I believe that my head with the Leeson motor and the gears removed, my head is about 100 pounds. With the new motor that I'm going to be putting on this machine, I'm going to be around 150 pounds. And right now it's about 115, so a little bit more than the stock head assembly. Plus we've got the power draw bar and the air cylinder and all that, so it's going to be pushing 150 pounds when I get done. But I just wanted to do a video. Thanks for the suggestion on that. I'll have to put a little mention of your YouTube username here. I don't recall off the top of my head. Thanks for that. Alright guys, so just a quick little video while I've got it broken down of the different weights of the various components that make up the Precision Matthews. Thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and most importantly, be safe.